Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. I'm so sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been a little busy. So I hope you can forgive me because today we'll be trying on my favorite transparent lingerie. I have a couple different colors here. I have white and blue, I have pink and orange, and then I have blue and pink. This is my most newest set. I just got this the other day, so I'm so excited to show you guys because not very many people have seen this on me yet, so let's get into it. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my profile, like this video, and hit the bio for all my other links. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, here we have outfit number one. This outfit is so cute. It's just very nice and simple, just blue and white. It has flowers on it. See if you can get a better look. I don't have many of these. I think they're called like garters or something. Can't really remember what they're called right now, but I love these sets because they all come with a matching three-piece, so I don't have to worry about going out and finding one of these and worry about it matching and stuff. But yeah, this is outfit number one. Let me know what you guys think down below. Alright guys, here we have outfit number three. It has cute little bows on it, and the top and the panties, so I think it looks so cute. It adds such like a nice little touch, and I usually don't wear these colors. The pink and orange are very off-brand for me, but I just had to get this one because it's so summery and cute and fun. And here we have outfit number three. This one I think is my all-time favorite because of these cuffs that are built in to this. Isn't the garter? I don't know guys, I'm like so bad with names. But yeah, this one has to be my absolute favorite. I just got it and I just knew I had to have it. It's like the perfect colors. I think it looks so flattering. The shape of everything, the material is just a lot better than the other ones. The other ones are a little bit more like scratchy. This is a lot more softer. So yeah, I really like this one. And the cuffs, I think it's absolutely perfect. But yeah, let me know what one is your favorite down below, and don't forget to hit the bio for all my other links. Okay, bye!